Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm so excited for this one. This is from, let me see, brand's name. This is from, I don't know what the brand's name is. I think it's, oh yeah, Gothlo Beauty. I don't know how to say it. It's right here, but look at the packaging. I love it, the black and the green. Oh, this reminds me of the Half Magic brand. I love this design. These, what are these called? Like these starlight, twinkle lights? No, not twinkle light. Like stars, diamond. I don't freaking know. But I use these for my makeup looks. I like to draw them in. And I bought glitter that is the exact same shade, but silver. But it still hasn't arrived yet. I already did a kind of like a story time about it recently. But anyways, enough with the blah. So okay, let me open the box. So they reached out to me via email. I think they found my YouTube channel. I don't know from how they found me, but they made me choose which brush set I wanted, and of course I had to get this colorful one. Look, you already know I love neon. I love colorful, bright things. So of course I was so excited, and I had to choose this print. They had the same print, but the fewer brushes, like the eye set, but I chose the mixture of eye and face. So it's a 9-piece set, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, yeah, 9. So this reminds me of, what's that show, the Nickelodeon show, or that kids show from the 90s? I forgot, or the 2000s, I don't know. But it also reminds me of the 60s, or like Scooby-Doo, I don't know, something. But look at the print, they're so pretty. The design, that looks like butterflies, they're flowers, suns, circle, like squiggly lines. There's, oh, like a big flower. Kind of reminds me of Barbie or Polly Pocket, like everything. So it's very pretty. Oh, is that in ours? I don't know, but these are, wow, I think my favorite brushes aesthetic wise. But let's see how they feel. Let me touch. Ooh, okay, this is very, very soft. Oh my god, look how, you can't even tell. Look, it's very soft, and it doesn't shed, which I'm happy, because there's brushes that shed, like Morphe, what's the other brand, and everybody hypes those brushes up, and those big influencers, you already know who, but they be making money off them, and their quality is not even that great, but they still promote it because they get paid a lot. But anyway, so this, yeah, look at the logo. It says right there, it's like silver dual chrome. It's very pretty. And these brushes doesn't have a bad scent, because there's some that smell funky the first time you get them, not these. So all of them feel very soft. Look, and I'm so excited to use these for my makeup tutorial and trying them on. But first I have to wash them. But yeah, all of them feel very nice, very soft. Oh, look, they even have like a brown one, what, brow brush, spoolie brush there. So yeah, they're mainly eyes, eyeliner, face. So it's multi-use with these. So yeah, imagine a beauty blender with this print. Oh my gosh, I would use it every day. So yeah, oh, and my hair got stuck. So yeah, this is basically it for this unboxing. Wait, what is the name before I leave? This is Neon City 9-piece cosmetics brushes. So right here. Oh wow, they even say the name of each brush, in case y'all are interested. And I don't think they sell these separately. I think only in sets. So yeah, I don't know if they have an Instagram. Oh yeah, no, oh yeah, it says right there, their social medias. Oh, and they're cruelty free, which I love. I just try to buy cruelty makeup stuff, eco-friendly stuff, sustainable stuff from like my clothes, makeup, skincare. I try to, you know, incorporate more of those things in my daily routine. But yeah, anyway, so Yay, thank you so much, Gothlo Beauty. No, Gothlo Beauty. I'm sorry, I don't know how to freaking say it, but yeah, thank you so much and for gifting me this set. I'm so excited to try this. So I'm gonna try and use these a lot. So yeah. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.